Right now in the US, we are presented with an unprecedented amount of demand for electricity production. The level of demand is 100 gigawatts in the next 5 years alone. That's like creating 100 new cities worth of electricity in a 5-year period. And the last time that happened was never. The problem is that most of these data centers are being powered by natural gas. And nuclear is the clear answer.
If we cannot scale or deploy nuclear the way we intend to, what we'll see is a lot of the AI data centers will revert back to using fossil fuel. And prices of electricity would go up.
This is why Aalo Atomics exists. We are mass manufacturing nuclear power plants, purpose-built to power AI data centers at scale.
The biggest challenge is regulations.
There is a mountain of paperwork that we have to work through as fast as humanly possible in order to get this stuff deployed quickly.
Typical license normally takes about 3 to 5 years for a new nuclear reactor design.
Thousands of hours, hundreds of people, and potentially months to even years before shovels even go in the ground. The better we do at automating the permitting and licensing for nuclear, the faster we can deploy more plants.
And that's where AI comes in.
With Gen AI for permitting, we're able to take all the documents from our reactor design, from the site information, and the requirements, and automatically create a package that is the same quality, the same bar as what we would have produced otherwise in thousands of hours in a matter of minutes. And we've seen an $80 million reduction in the cost of permitting, a 92% cut in permitting timeline, an 85% cut in human workload, and environmental reports being completed 50 times faster.
So it's not just a writing companion, but almost like a regulatory co-pilot that can streamline and make sure that it does a really good job without any hallucinations about the answer that it's putting in the regulatory documentation.
This is a huge unlock for the speed of deployment of nuclear the world so desperately needs.
Ultimately, our goal is to scale up in ways that we have never seen nuclear scale up before. And with Gen AI permitting, we don't see regulatory bottlenecks anymore.
Eventually, we intend to help developing nations come out of energy poverty by mass manufacturing a product that can so quickly and affordably be deployed anywhere that will be able to make a major dent in the energy wealth of everywhere on Earth.
And Gen AI permitting tool allows us to unblock that.